Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with two essentials: a data store service script and clear defaults. Open Roblox Studio, enable HTTP and API services, then create server script service data handler. Now, require data store service and get data store with a specific key so you always target the same store. Once done, write a player's. Player added listener that attempts to get a sync for that player's key and falls back to your default table if missing. Make sure to log failures. This helps when saving later. You are ready to load. Next, implement reliable load and save using pcall. This prevents runtime errors from crashing your flow. Use pcall for get a sync and set a sync. If you expect concurrent updates, prefer update async or order data store patterns so you don't overwrite progress. Serialize only simple types: numbers, strings, booleans, and small tables, because complex user data won't save. Once done, attach a player removing handler that calls update async to merge changes safely. Make sure to throttle retries and back off on repeated failures to respect rate limits. Finish by wiring autosaves and a final save during player removing so progress is preserved. Add a while loop or task. Spawn autosave every 60 to 300 seconds depending on your game. Keep it light. Test extensively with Play Solo and multiple test accounts in Studio to simulate concurrency. If a save fails, log the error, queue 1 or 2 retries with exponential backoff, and inform the player that a retry is happening. This prevents panic and helps you trace issues in the output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.